Those are buoy markers.
Okay.
Red's one side, green's the other. Hi everybody, welcome to Bali.
What do you mean? That was my bag.
Okay. But yeah. Okay, one by one, okay? One by one.
Alright,
Don't forget.
stand
Don't
up.
forget Uncle John. Yeah.
Oh no, you leave here.
Yeah, we
They
Do,
say
do you need to bring my charger or the phone or anything?
maybe charger only.
Just bring it back.
Charger only.
I can grab my phone too, right?
Yes. Because I bring my backpack. Everything else you can leave here. Nothing important here.
Later, can you see me? It's okay. No? You can use island.
Go ahead, I'll be last.
Okay, got the book. You swimming? Later, okay?
Alright, that's it. That's it.
That's it, okay, make our way.
Bye, John.
That's all the people we need.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye bye, have fun.
Bye-bye.
Everybody smile for the camera.
At least forehead and nose. For your face. Yeah, thank you.
Alright, now we start with beach.
By the way, I have a question. Can I have my goggles?
Let's go.
No, I think serious. I need my goggles.
One by one.
Well, here comes all the immigrants over.
Oh, really now? Okay.
Yeah.
Deep enough where okay. I'm gonna picture of Sammy swimming. I don't know yet. All right.
That's all including there. Okay.
Oh, this is the menu?
Oh, this is the menu we including.
Yeah, including.
Oh, okay. So we don't need to pick it up.
All right then. I'm gonna go get wet.
Choice, you have a beef burger, chicken sandwich, or a spaghetti chicken.
Can I get a
Oh.
chicken burger?
Chicken sandwich.
Yeah, can I get a chunky beef burger?
Well, hold on. I'm gonna go with you.
Eddie, you want a beef burger, chicken sandwich,
Water here
or
is cool.
spaghetti?
Beef burger.
Who wants to get cooled down?
Oh, hold on. Let me get my shoes on. Need to take your shoes with you. Well, actually, you probably don't. Yeah, don't need to. Leave them here. Leave them here because you'll lose them. Welcome to Bali, Indonesia. Got the grandkids out for... Oh, you might need to get our shoes because there's a lot of sharp rocks here. Yeah, we gotta go get our shoes. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna jump in. Ready? I got the camera going.
Is that waterproof?
Yes. Whoa. It's not as deep as I thought it was.
I want to jump in with Grandpa.
Okay, we're gonna go over here and jump in. Do you want to hold the
Yeah.
Okay. It's on right now.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Alcohol. Say bye. Tell me about what you're doing here in Bali.
I'm trying to get this rock to float. I'm having fun at the beaches. Let's see.
Now it's going to get deeper really quick over here. So.
Oh, the water's salty.
See, now it starts to get deep. Whoa, see? Now it's up to my armpits. So you have to be careful. There we go. Stay with about this deep.
It's hard not. Oh, thanks, Wade.
My
Thank you again.
shoes are full of rocks and sand.
Come on. Maybe I should put my goggles on.
Yeah, here, take a picture of me. So you're taking pictures of nothing. I'm gonna get a picture of you first.
Be careful.
There's Daddy. Don't move it too fast. Use that.
Stand support.
Get a bit closer, Grandpa. Grandpa and Daddy.
Baba, come forward.
Hi, Grandpa. Oh, there's Daddy. Yeah, there's Grandma. She's only gonna get her feet wet.
Wait!
Wimmy and Sammy are gonna save her.
Wait!
Yeah, way out there.
Wait! Okay. Wait.
Yeah, the boats are taking off, racing down the sea. Boosh. There we go. Going out snorkeling in Bali, Indonesia.
Look, that boat's pretty
Nanti
fast.
saya bos ya, kalau udah nyampe di sini lah.
We're heading out 15 miles from here.
Ya, makanya saya
Say hi, Grandpa. Grandpa.
Ya,
Remy.
makanya kalau dia mau turun,
Sammy.
bawa anak kecil juga dia, takutnya mabuk kan. Ya, nanti kalau-
There's Grandma. There's Grandma.
Apa-apa saya bawa. Hey, Remy, be careful, don't go up.
Remy.
Grandpa.
Di ANC ini nih baru berangkat nih dari Tanjung Baru nih baru berangkat. Di ANC ya tentunya.
Kami